Jasper AI tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through Jasper AI. So Jasper AI is a co-pilot for different marketing teams. Now Jasper was created for all these marketing platforms, okay? And it was created for sales and CRM and just to make your CRM and sales better, okay? So in this video, I'm going to be quickly talking to you about what Jasper AI chat does for you and how it's better. So AI chat that feels surprisingly human. You can interact with artificial intelligence that will help you a lot. Okay. And it feels like you're actually talking to a live support member. It's an actual person, an expansive base of knowledge on niche and advanced topic, a familiar design that's accessible and easy to use, and remembers what you said earlier by giving it a better context. You can start a chat with Jasper by asking a question or stating a command. And obviously, you're going to want to make an account with Jasper for this. It gives you a trial. It's going to ask you your credit card and stuff, but after that, look at that, you can use it immediately. And Jasper AI is an amazing AI chatbot tool. It's a good alternative to stuff like ChatGPT and to things like any other chatbots out there. An even better alternative to this is Bing Chat because that's totally free. But you can just use Jasper AI as itself because it was specifically created for marketing. Now, you can actually take Jasper's work and import it to your Jasper documents. And as you can see, you can see the similarities between a Jasper and ChatGPT Plus. So, definitely use Jasper AI, sign up, and start using it right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all of you next time. Goodbye.